So Legends Live is an education experience. We are going to have some similarities to a trade show, meaning we're going to have vendors. We're going to have a lot of education. We're going to have a lot of learning, and you're going to have people in front of you that you can ask questions and get answers right on the spot. Not only will you be able to get the answers, but you can probably go find out for yourself with hands-on learning. We're going to have live extraction experiences. We're going to have a desiccant in the parking lot where you can kind of learn what that looks like, when to use it. We're going to have all the latest and greatest Legend Brands products there. We've got a couple of new things that we've launched just recently. We got an update to some air scrubbers that you're going to be able to get to play with the new version of it. There's maybe some other things that will be shown as well. We're really looking forward to it. As far as vendors come in, we're going to have vendors. I think we have seven or eight different vendors that'll be there, all with learning experiences as well. David, you can kind of talk about all the different vendors that will be there and what they're going to be talking about.
Sure. Well, you're going to get up in front of companies like Zipwall doing live containment. You're going to be up front and personal with Mr. Jeremy Reets and David Hodge in the laboratory. Gabe and Andy Robinson will be showing some Legend Brands product, like he was saying. We have desiccant technology, and for large loss, we have Atmos drying outside with their desiccant with their generator, so you can see how to use large loss power. We'll also have truck mounts on site, outside, doing extraction, and also doing some live demos with Mr. Dane Gregory. An all-star cast, I agree.
You know what? When we were talking about this, I was thinking, I've been doing this for 35 years. I've never seen anything like that before. That's what was exciting when they were like, when Gabe and Dave, when you guys came, I was like, but then when we started talking about it, I was like, wow, this could be super cool. And coming from the contractor side as well, like, I just don't have time. I've got a business to run, so forth. Like, do I have time for this? We've worked really hard with the cooperation of these different vendors you're mentioning. Put together an experience you're not going to get anywhere else. You're going to learn something, and it's also going to be fun. None of this sitting around in a stuffy room watching everybody. You're getting up and moving around. And the other thing that I love is all the networking time. Because half the time you spend there, or the value is meeting people that are doing the same thing as you're doing. And so I think that's another great part of this. Now, Meredith, Meredith, we have some, what are the networking things? Aren't we doing like some sort of dinner or something as well, in addition to that?
Of course, you'd have me talk about the networking.
Yeah, I mean, that's
So there will be networking. We're going to have an open reception on Monday night, and then we're going to close it out with the Line Creek Brewery. So we're going to have some food trucks and some beer, and it's just going to be a really good time for everybody to get together and talk about the day and just kind of really kick this thing off with a bang. So it's going to be a lot of fun, and we've got all of our vendors are giving away some tangible items. So all of the goodies are rolling in. I think we've got a Yeti cooler and a turtle box and a business planning seat, and a couple of other things that we're working on. So it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of prizes. It is not going to be your same old boot camp or customer service event or trade show. It's going to be big. It's going to be a lot of fun.
But we still can get CECs, right, Meredith?
Yes, the IICRC will be there and checking in. So everybody that is there, you will get 7 hours.
Wow. I'm glad you brought that up, Gabe, because I want to say, I think this is the first time I've seen Meredith without that IICRC coat on. She wears that IICRC coat everywhere. It's like
she asked me if she should wear it.
Oh,
she did it.
You mean this coat? This IICRC coat? How did I get it? You can't
I'm
buy
very
this.
proud of it.
Not for sale on TV. This is something you have to earn. So yeah, I'm on the board of directors.
I'm on the board of directors.
Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. It's like, oh, here she goes again. Somebody put a quarter in her. Oh my goodness, she's going to talk about her.
I'm going to have a new title here in a couple of months, so that one's going to be even worse.
Oh, Gabe,
you're going to have to update the Yeti cup. Here we go.
Oh, I need a new
We're
Yeti
having the
cup.
door.
Oh, and I knew it would get stuck in there somehow.
We're having the doors wide near the top so she can get her head through the door once she gets the next title. I already know what it is, and it's like, oh, come on.
Oh.
She's
So to
gonna
get this group back on track, you get 7 CECs, 7 hours.
Yes.
And what do you need for the year? It's like or
You need
14.
14.
So
You
you
need
years.
show
14
up
for the year.
to this, and what does this cost, Meredith?
It's $195 for the one day and all of the marketing. So the event is $195.
And we're gonna feed them.
We're going to feed them several
A
times.
lot.
Nice. You're gonna get education. You're gonna get food. You're gonna get CECs, networking, and
And
I think we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a lot of
Yes.
fun.
And we are going to have some shuttles. So we're asking
Okay.
everybody to stay at the Peachtree City Hilton. That's where we're going to do some of the networking, some of the cocktail hours, things like that. But we are asking everyone to stay there because we are going to have some shuttles going back and forth, so that we can keep our parking lot open. So you'll get all of that information when you register. If you want to, call and talk to me about it, I will make sure that everyone has my phone number.
Awesome. So as far as what do we got going on? September 1st. Thank you, Jeremy. Subtle reminder. September 1st. The link is out there right now. You can go on Facebook, Instagram, the TikTok, and you should be able to find the link. There's also going to be some email marketing that will come out, and you can get registered. From there, you can go to the Peachtree Hilton.
We have a discounted link, so make sure that you get that discounted link before you book.
Okay. Yeah, and we are asking you to take the shuttle that we'll be providing because there will be a parking issue. We're cutting this off at, is it 100 people, Meredith? We hit
Yes.
100 and we're done.
Yes.
We hit 100 and we're done.
We're
So
done.
they should do it now, right? They shouldn't wait.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
As far as people being there, Legend Brands is going to be in full force. I will be there. Andy Robinson. I'm sure some people have heard the name Andy Robinson before. Andy will be there. I'll have my full team there. David Braden will be present. Matt Nape, Nick Otero will all be there doing some of the education. Outside of that, like David said earlier, we have Zipwall, we have Clean Claims, we have ICP, we have
Red effect.
We have Benefect. Who else do we have? Who am I missing?
Yoland.
Myland.
Yep.
Mhm. Yep. Jeff Jones will be here.
Pertimeter or pertimeter.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, big group.
Parker Olson will be here with Atmos
There's other
Drive.
people I'm sure we've left out, and we
Yeah.
feel really bad about that.
We do.
But
But
it'll be.
you want to
it'll
see
be
them all.
Yeah.
September 1st. It's a big day.
Don't get left out.
Nope.
We will see you guys there.